Interesting table in the same site, in YouTube, when you put the עברו ברד המלחמה האחרונה בשנת 2015, the last four in 2015, התשע"ה, לפי צונות התורה, according to the codes of the Torah. Also, if somebody can see a lot in the site, כי לשם המלוכה, and all this coming there, and many others. So what is written here is the following. So, definitely I have to know a little bit of Kabbalah of this, but it's written Be'et Nun, in the time of the Nun, Hey Tavshinai, this year, 5775, Mashiach. Now what is clearly showed that this is many millions of Torah, Hey Tavshinai, so no doubt that this. Now what is Be'et Nun? In Hebrew, Be'et Nun means the time of the Nun. Nun in Hebrew is 50, numerical value 50. According to Kabbalah, it represents the 50 gates of understanding when they really have right insight into the world, into everything, the Torah definitely. And this will be the time of the Mashiach, before preparation for the Mashiach, as Vilna Gaon says. But it is interesting, so here will be at noon, in that time, this is the time when we'll see the Mashiach. Also you have the number 50 or 50, so altogether it is very interesting, if one knows Hebrew, is best while following this site. But what we found here with Professor Haralik, really very, very interesting, adding a lot to this. Now what we found is the following. We found here, best meeting the Torah, a few words. Sha'ar Chamishim. Yeah, there are a lot of letters, this way comes the way. And meeting, best meeting with Kodim, with codes, Kodim, and the year, Tavshinai, 775. And the reason Tavshinai, 50, you see clearly the shin of Shar, the gate comes from 50, so it's the gate of the 50th, which is a full understanding. Now what is interesting is that you have also the year after, which is called Motzei Shemitah. Don't forget that the year Tavshinai, now it is sabbatical, which is significant here. And then you have also Motzei Shemitah all together. Now what you have here more is, besides the word Kodim, which is a usual word used, we have also Tzofen. Yeah, Tzofen, which is code, is really M, Tzofen. Those are codes. In Hebrew, Tzofen is code. And then you have another word, skipping, Dilug coming here, Dilug Nun. Dilug Nun, clearly the skipping of the Nun, which is really the 50th gate of understanding, which will be coming with the time of the Mashiach. So a very interesting table, gives a lot of force to the previous verse of the site, as you say, the last war. So very important table, and definitely seeing that everything is the Torah, and the result should do tshuva, repentance, and then we'll have Mashiach soon coming and redeem us for this terrible times that we are in.